Most salespeople use their product knowledge, customer service skills, and confidence to persuade potential customers to buy a product, but unlike those who sell directly to consumers, wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives sell goods to businesses, government agencies, and other organizations. They sell products from wholesalers or manufacturers, including food, office supplies, and clothing, as well as technical and scientific products, such as agricultural and mechanical equipment, computers, or pharmaceuticals. Wholesale and manufacturing sales reps typically contact potential customers, explain the features of their products, negotiate prices, and answer customers' questions. After making a sale, representatives may follow up to ensure customer satisfaction or to help train the customer's employees on how to use the new equipment. They also analyze sales statistics, write up reports, and handle duties such as filing expense accounts, scheduling appointments, and making travel plans. Most wholesale and manufacturing sales representatives work full-time, and many work more than 40 hours per week. They often have sales quotas to meet. Their income and job security may depend directly on the amount of product they sell. For non-technical product sales, a high school diploma is considered an entry-level qualification. For scientific or technical products, sales representatives typically need a related bachelor's degree.